Today I'm going to make the most heartwarming rhubarb and apple crumble. I'm going to use the simplest ingredients for this recipe. So I picked up some rhubarb sticks from Morrison's this evening. I wanted to make just rhubarb crumble, but seeing as I've got some apples in the house, I'm going to make rhubarb and apple crumble. First of all, I'm going to cut the rhubarb into small chunks. I always thought we had to peel off the skin, but after looking at the YouTube videos, it doesn't look like we have to do that. So I'm just going to carry on and cutting them like it is. I'm just going to pop that in a plate and leave it aside for later. Next, I'm going to prepare the apples. I'm going to peel them. So I'm just going to chop the apple into little chunks. So I'm going to pop the apples in with the rhubarb. So I'm just going to pop the rhubarb and the apple in a pan. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to add a pinch of ground nutmeg. And here I've got a pinch of ginger. Just going to give that a good stir. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to make the crumble. So here I've got 2 cups of plain flour. So I'm now going to add some butter and I'm going to crumble it with my fingers. So it's important the butter is cold. So I'm going to carry on going until I get some breadcrumbs. I'm just going to go ahead and add some rolled oats. Here I've got some brown sugar. So I'm just going to coarsely grind some walnuts. I'm just going to add the smallest amount of cinnamon. So that has been going for around 15 minutes. I can see the rhubarb and the apples have softened. So I'm going to turn off the heat now. So I'm going to put my mixture into my oven tin. I'm just going to spread it out a little. So I'm now going to add a generous amount of crumble. And lastly, I'm just going to add some walnuts. So that's going in the oven at 200°C for 25 minutes. I have absolutely no idea why my brother always asked me to make him apple crumble but without the apple, so that's what I'm going to do. So that is now all done. I'm just preparing some custard. So my brother's buttery crumble is also ready. I'm going to serve that with just custard on its own.